Our best things about the Samsung Note 20 Ultra. The month of August brought a big thrill for us phone enthusiasts. The Samsung Note 20 Ultra was launched and it came with mostly amazing features. Here are some of our best features on the Samsung Note 20 Ultra. 1. The Samsung Note 20 Ultra comes with a 6.9-inch OLED Quad HD Plus display. It's the perfect larger-than-life screen with amazing colors. 2. The phone comes with a 120Hz display rate that adjusts by itself based on whatever function it is performing, aka from 60Hz to 120Hz automatically. 3. Amongst the phone's triple camera sensors is a laser autofocus sensor that captures clear and clean shots. The camera features a 108MP wide camera with a f1.8 aperture, a 12MP ultra-wide camera with a 120-degree field of view, an f2.2, and a 12MP telephoto lens that delivers a 5x optical zoom and up to 5x super resolution zoom. 4. The phone features an S Pen with a 6-millisecond latency. Latency means the delay between the time the pen writes on the screen and the time the screen responds to what is written. This would mean it feels almost like writing on paper when you use it. 5. This phone is one of the fastest phones around with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 865 Plus processor. 6. It has Microsoft's xCloud game streaming that offers more than 100 Xbox games. 7. It has a link to Windows integration that lets you access your mobile apps through your Windows PC via your phone. 8. The phone features a 4500 mAh battery and a 25 watts fast charger that would most likely get you to 50% in 30 minutes. 9. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra features fast wireless charging 2.0. 10. The device has 12GB RAM and either 128GB or 525GB of internal storage depending on your preference, and it is further expandable by micro SD card of 1TB. If you'd be interested in the price, it comes at a range of 494,000 naira to 570,000 naira for the 128GB and 525GB variants respectively. What do you think about the Samsung Note 20 Ultra phone? Why not tell us in the comment section?